Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? So we've got a beef stew on the go today, Middle Eastern style. We've got some absolutely wonderful aromatics going on there. Really, really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 700 grams here of beef. Now this is a kind of stewing type beef. It's not like a lovely frying steak. And I've cut it into kind of, fairly small little cubes. I've got a cup of onion. I'm using white, but you can use red, of course. A tablespoon of garlic. And then I've got a teaspoon each of these guys. So we've got salt and pepper, thyme, black lemon powder, turmeric, cumin, chili powder, and coriander powder. What we're going to do is we're going to get a bowl. We're going to put it all in with a little bit of olive oil. Give it a mix. Okay, mixing bowl. Some olive oil here. It's going to give it a nice glug there, The olive oil is going to kind of help all the spices stick to our meat. Garlic, 1 tablespoon, chopped. Onion, 1 cup, or 1 kind of decent size onion. Then here we go, look. Salt, pepper, the black lemon powder, and thyme. Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. Little mix, back in a moment. So you're going to need a skillet, frying pan, wok or something like that. The heat's on, it's on medium. There's our mixed beef, all those lovely spices, get that in. Yeah, medium heat, don't have it up too high. What we're going to do is we're going to fry this around for about 8 minutes, stirring fairly often. So this is looking super fab. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add some water to this. You may have seen me do this before. Because this is a stewing type of beef, we're going to get some water, or stock if you want, in there. Enough to cover it up. Turn the heat up high now. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to let that boil out. I want it to evaporate out. It's going to take about 10 or 15 minutes. This process is really going to help the beef become really nice and tender, which is obviously what we want. Okay, so you can see that this is reduced down. You don't have to get it completely dry. Now that process has really, really helped us along. We're now going to add 2 tomatoes in there. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. And 135 grams of tomato paste, which is one of those little Tetra Pak things, like that little kind of size. Okay, stay on the high heat, 5 more minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, off goes the heat, and that is beautiful, nice and deep. Check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more. For me, it's really, really good. That's it. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go. That's it. It's beautiful. It's deep. Super aromatic. I hope you enjoyed that. You keep safe, you keep well. Lots of love.